DoorDash app won't let me place order. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, if your application is not working, then you have to check that in your Play Store. Head over to your Play Store and here search for DoorDash. If it shows open, it means this application is already updated. If you see update, you have to tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings application. From here, scroll below until they see this apps option. And again, search for DoorDash. Scroll below onto storage, then clear the data. Before doing so, you have to read this, then tap on delete. Come back. Here, tap onto force stop on your bottom right corner, then tap OK. Once you do all that, restart your device, and that will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.